Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into my favorite world, DIY beauty, where your kitchen transforms into a haven of natural goodness. Have you ever wished for that lit from within glow without the hefty price tag or the questionable chemicals? You're in the right place. Get ready to unlock the secrets of simple kitchen ingredients that can completely transform your beauty routine. Trust me, your skin and hair will thank you for it. Let's start with a pantry staple that's basically magic: honey. But this isn't just for your tea, my friends. Raw, organic honey is a powerhouse of goodness for your skin. Think of it as a natural magnet for moisture, drawing it in and keeping your skin plump and hydrated. And that's not all. Honey is packed with antioxidants, those little warriors that fight off damage from all the craziness life throws our way. It even calms down redness and irritation, making it a dream for sensitive skin. Remember, we're all about that raw, organic honey here. It's the least processed and holds on to all those amazing benefits. Next up, we're diving into the creamy, dreamy world of avocados. These green gems are not just for your toast or guacamole. They are packed with nutrients that can work wonders for your skin and hair. So let's explore how you can incorporate avocados into your beauty routine. And no, we're not making guacamole today, but we are about to whip up some magic for your skin and hair. Imagine a spa day at home, using ingredients straight from your kitchen. It's not only cost-effective, but also free from harsh chemicals. Avocados are like nature's little multivitamins, bursting with vitamins A, D, and E, plus those amazing omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. They help in repairing damage, reducing inflammation, and providing deep hydration. They're like a tall glass of water for your skin, deeply nourishing and moisturizing, leaving it soft and supple. The natural oils in avocados penetrate deep into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration and a natural glow. And for my fellow dry-haired friends, avocado is a godsend. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamins that help to strengthen and repair damaged hair. Whether your hair is dry, frizzy, or just in need of some TLC, avocado can bring it back to life. It tames frizz, adds shine, and brings those thirsty strands back to life. The natural oils in avocados coat the hair, smoothing the cuticle and reducing frizz. Plus, it adds a beautiful, healthy shine that makes your hair look vibrant and full of life. Make sure you're using a nice, ripe avocado. It'll blend like a dream. The riper the avocado, the easier it is to mash and apply. It ensures a smooth, creamy texture that's perfect for both skin and hair treatments. And hey, if you have some leftover avocado, this is the perfect way to use it up. Instead of letting it go to waste, turn it into a nourishing mask. Your skin and hair will thank you for the extra love and care. So next time you have an avocado, remember it's not just food, it's a beauty powerhouse. Now, let's talk about a breakfast staple that doubles as a skincare superstar: oatmeal. Don't worry, we're not making you wear your breakfast, but we are going to use it to gently polish away those dead skin cells that can leave your complexion looking dull. Oatmeal is incredibly gentle, making it perfect for even the most sensitive skin types. It's like a soft, loving hug for your face, leaving it feeling smooth and refreshed. When you're shopping for oatmeal for your DIY beauty recipes, look for finely ground oatmeal, sometimes called colloidal oatmeal. It creates the silkiest, most luxurious texture in masks and scrubs. Are you ready to get your hands dirty and create some DIY magic? Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare with a delightful and nourishing face mask that you can easily make at home. This mask is perfect for giving your skin that extra boost of hydration and glow, especially when it feels dull and tired. Let's whip up a face mask that will leave your skin feeling baby soft and glowing. This mask combines the moisturizing properties of avocado, the antibacterial benefits of honey, and the gentle exfoliation of oatmeal. It's a trifecta of skin-loving ingredients that will pamper your face and leave you feeling refreshed. First, grab your ripe avocado, the star of the show, and give it a good mash in a bowl until it's smooth and creamy. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and vitamins that nourish and hydrate the skin, making them an excellent base for our mask. Next, add a tablespoon of that liquid gold we talked about earlier, raw honey. Honey is not only a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into the skin, but it also has antibacterial properties that can help to keep your skin clear and healthy. Remember, honey is a humectant, so it's going to draw moisture into your skin and keep it hydrated. This is especially beneficial for those with dry or sensitive skin, as it helps to maintain the skin's natural moisture balance. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliator that helps to slough away dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, radiant skin underneath. It's also soothing and can help to calm any irritation or redness. This is our gentle exfoliator, sloughing away dead skin cells to reveal the radiant skin underneath. The combination of these 3 ingredients creates a powerful yet gentle mask that is suitable for all skin types. Now mix everything together until it forms a beautiful paste-like consistency. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined so that each application gives you the full benefits of the mask. Apply the mask evenly to your face, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area. The skin around your eyes is much thinner and more sensitive, so it's best to keep this area mask-free. Now here's the best part. Just relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 minutes. This is your time to unwind and let the nourishing ingredients do their job. While you wait, you can sip on some herbal tea, meditate, or just enjoy the peace and quiet. Taking this time for yourself can be incredibly rejuvenating, both for your skin and your mind. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Be sure to be gentle to avoid any irritation. To seal in all that hydration, finish with your favorite moisturizer. This will help to lock in the benefits of the mask and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. Your skin will feel so soft, smooth, and absolutely radiant. Enjoy the glow and the confidence that comes with taking good care of your skin. Our hair deserves just as much love as our skin, right? We often spend so much time and effort on skincare routines, but our hair needs that same level of care and attention. Healthy, shiny hair can make us feel confident and beautiful, and it all starts with the right treatment. So let's whip up a luxurious hair mask that will leave your locks feeling soft, silky, and oh so hydrated. This DIY hair mask is not only effective, but also easy to make with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Grab that other half of your ripe avocado. We're using it all up. And give it a good mash, or toss it in a blender for a super smooth consistency. Avocados are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for hair health, including vitamins A, D, E, and B6, as well as folic acid, amino acids, and magnesium. These nutrients help to nourish and strengthen your hair from the inside out. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, another kitchen staple that's amazing for hair. Olive oil has been used for centuries as a natural conditioner. It's rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that nourish and condition the hair shaft, making it an excellent choice for dry or damaged hair. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that nourish and condition the hair shaft. It helps to smooth the hair cuticle, reduce frizz, and add a beautiful shine. Plus, it can penetrate the hair shaft better than many other oils, providing deep conditioning benefits. Finally, add a tablespoon of our favorite ingredient, raw honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to attract and retain moisture in your hair. It's also packed with antioxidants and nutrients that promote hair health. Honey adds shine, softens the hair, and helps to seal in moisture. It also has antibacterial properties that can help to keep your scalp healthy and free from dandruff and other irritations. Mix everything together until it's well combined. The mixture should be creamy and smooth, making it easy to apply to your hair. Take your time to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly blended for the best results. Apply the mask generously to your hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends where dryness and damage tend to be most prominent. These areas are often the most affected by heat styling, environmental factors, and general wear and tear. Once your hair is coated in this creamy goodness, put on a shower cap or wrap your hair in a warm towel to help the mask penetrate deeper. The heat from the towel or shower cap will open up the hair cuticles, allowing the nourishing ingredients to be absorbed more effectively. Now relax and let the mask work its magic for at least 30 minutes. This is the perfect time to pamper yourself with a face mask or simply unwind. Taking this time for self-care can be incredibly rejuvenating. You can use this time to catch up on your favorite show, read a book, or just enjoy some quiet time. It's important to give yourself these moments of relaxation and self-care. When the time is up, rinse the mask out thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure to remove all the mask from your hair to avoid any residue that could weigh your hair down. Then, shampoo and condition your hair as usual. This will help to remove any remaining mask and leave your hair feeling fresh and clean. For extra shine, finish with a final rinse of cool water to help seal the hair cuticles. This simple step can make a big difference in the overall appearance and feel of your hair. Your hair will be so soft, manageable, and full of healthy shine. With regular use of this hydrating avocado hair mask, you'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and health of your hair. Treat yourself to this luxurious hair care routine and enjoy the beautiful results. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of natural beauty. Remember, you don't need expensive products or complicated routines to look and feel your best. Sometimes, the most effective ingredients are right there in your kitchen, just waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed these DIY recipes, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural and homemade beauty tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And be sure to share your own favorite DIY beauty recipes in the comments below. I love trying out new things. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.